Hello YouTube. Here we got a MacBook Air today. MacBook Air A1466 2017 with the 1.8 GHz processor, 8 GB RAM. It came yesterday and customer says that the fan runs really high, it makes annoying noise. We open the back lid, looks see dusty and rubbish inside, so we cleared the fan, serviced the motherboard, applied new thermal paste on it. You can hear the noise now. It's running at full speed. We refreshed, reloaded the OS Mixer, and still doing the same thing. Checked so many online forums and videos and things, but still couldn't get any real solution. One YouTuber, very famous YouTuber, MacBook repair technician, he says that this is another motherboard from same MacBook, similar MacBook. This is SLC IC over here. That's the one. Replace that one and it'll fix this fast running fan. I removed this one from the other one, from this one, put into this one, from this here to there. Still the same problem. Fan runs really high and makes annoying noise. And now after that, another YouTuber, very famous one, says that problem is into this charging jack, because the heat sensor is into this somewhere around here. I'm not sure exactly where it is because I don't have a schematic for this one. And replace this one and I will fix the solution. In fact, it did for him, but not in my case. I replaced this one with another one, still making the same noise and running constantly high. Okay, now if you check the MacBook, I checked the activity monitor. It is the temperature is a bit high on the machine, and the fan is running constantly high, the high speed. If you can hear the noise, right? Okay, I run the diagnostic by pressing, you know how to go into diagnostic, the command and D, and press the power button. When it goes to connect, it shows you the Wi-Fi connection screen. Connect with the Wi-Fi and then you can run a diagnostic. In diagnostic it says SMC, probably SMC faulty. So I reset the SMC by, you know how to do that, by pressing the option, shift, control and option button and press the power button. It did, it worked, but the fan still running high. Apple hardware test tells me the SMC faulty. SMC faulty, I have no idea why it's giving the SMC faulty error. Anyhow, I have checked the YouTube videos by replace this one, didn't work. Replace the IC on this board. This is the donor IC, replaced from here. It didn't work. And then change the battery, still no choice, good. And at the end, I replaced the screen, this one, broken screen. I connected this screen and the fan stopped. The fan was on the normal speed. Okay, this is a bit broken, but it works. Okay, now I found a solution then. What is this problem? The problem is in the screen. The LCD brings webcam and mic cable up to here. And if you disconnect the mic and LCD webcam, it works fine. That's a bit bizarre, but that works fine. Now I will switch off the computer. I'm pressing the power button to save time because I'm a bit rush. Okay, now if we look at here, that's the webcam and mic cable connected with the motherboard. Remove this one. Connect the flex again. Right. Press the power button. Fan runs. at normal speed. Yeah, hear the sound? It's booting up now. Let's see what happens. It's taking a bit time. Booting up. Yep. Enter the password. Yep. Activity monitor. If you check the values now, all values looks good now. And if you check it here, system, CPU load, it gone down here. Yep. Okay, and if you look at the fan, it's running at normal speed, no noise. Normal speed, no noise. And the computer is fixed now. Now the issue is, you don't have the webcam, you don't have the mic. If you change the screen, it costs you around £200 here in the UK, unless you get a used one. Either you can disconnect this cable and compromise with the mic and the webcam, and obviously you cannot use the FaceTime on this one, or you cannot use any video calls or something, but it will work fine without this cable. This is a connector. If you want to work it properly, if you want your webcam and mic working good, then you have to replace the screen, and you can buy the screen online and change the screen. There are only 6 screws on this side. This is this LCD connector. You can replace the screen with a good working one, and you're good to go then. I hope it helps. Okay, thank you for watching.